Alright, we got a good one today. We've got Mav over here in the kitchen. One of his favorite things to do is to make tacos. And he loves making it with deer or venison. And he's going to walk you through it today on how to do it. Y'all check this out. Easy enough an 11-year-old can do. Anybody can do this. Great recipe right at the end of hunting season. We got a lot of deer meat. We're showing you how you can cook it up. Let's do it.
Alright, today we're going to make deer tacos, and as my dad said, venison tacos. First, we're going to take the meat. Let's pour it in there to cook. Yeah, it's stuck in there. We want to do two things for me. I think I touched it. Oh man, I got it all over the scissors. Alright.
Watch this. I'm going to make this easier for him. I'm going to show you. You can cut it up right up through here, okay?
Oh.
Yeah. See that now?
That'll come out a whole lot easier, okay?
Yeah.
Boom.
And then we turn it to like mid. Maybe mid-high. I'll just do mid. And then we just need the big fork. Chop it up. Gonna eat you. Are you excited for tacos? Also, check out my shirt. Juno shirt. Nose. Evie's also wearing one. You can get those wherever you can get those. I don't know where.
TheGoatRope.com.
Yeah. I think I need an oven mitt so I don't burn my hand. Then whenever it gets brown, we're going to add the two seasonings.
Yeah. Look at that.
I'm going to finish browning it up, and then y'all see me in a minute. Alright, now we got it nice and browned. We're going to put the seasoning on. I like to put it on there, just let it sit on top of the meat for a little while, and then I'll stir it around just like that. I'm going to do 2 packets since we did 2 things of meat. Smells good. How much is in here? Not that much. And that's it. I'm also going to put some of this and slap your mama, and like my dad said in another video, don't actually slap your mama. Just for extra taste. Just for like little extras. Ooh, okay. Well, going to have extra seasoning. Extra seasoned. Now, I stir it around. Oh man.
Every night I'm gonna sleep with you.
It's nice and juicy. For this, I'm gonna eat so much. Yeah, right. Nice and juicy. Yeah, juicy. Right, do you like tacos? What if I said, do you want ice cream or tacos? What would you say? You would say tacos? That's what I would say. I would say tacos instead of ice cream. Yeah. Now, we're just going to let it sit, cook for a little bit while we put in the taco shells. Open it from here so I don't crush them all. Alright, now we're going to unwrap these. Heat our oven up to like 300 degrees. Take all these. Come on, because got a lot of people that want to eat them. Not like us. And 3 more. What I mean by people, I mean by me. So I'm probably going to eat most of them. Now, just open our oven, stick them in there, and we can make some tacos. Yeah. Alright, it's been about 7 or 8 minutes. Time to get us those tacos. There's some hungry people waiting for them. I got a hungry mob waiting right there. Look at them. Alright.
Me.
Get them on.
Me.
Tell us how you make them.
Okay, well, pretty much just saw, but you put the seasoning on the tacos, cook the tacos, put the shells in the oven, then take the shells out, and then you eat them.
We'll see how good they taste. Take me a big old bite of one.
Alright.
That's a big taco.
Yeah. I'll just go with one first.
There you go.
Yep.
Probably good.
Reminds me of tacos.
Get there.
Now, we eat. We're gonna have to wait.
So how is it?
Delicious. And make sure to like and subscribe and eat more tacos. See ya.
I said, what's that?
Rolling live taco.